What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You can improve your lighting with this tiny LED light. Alright, so this little mini LED video light fits into the camera shoe on most cameras, and I want to use it on a rig. And one of the things that I really like about these rigs, I've got a couple of them now, but here's a Ulanzi one, is that you can attach all of these different types of accessories, microphone, light like this, and then just slap in your camera, connect it, and be ready to rock. Now, this little light box is pretty typical of the ones I've seen out here. You've got a little bit of a frosted lens. You can see a ton of LEDs in there. You've got some slots here for other accessories, so you can shoe in some things on top of it. So I think in some cases people put like a microphone on top of it, or because the microphone can't have anything mounted on top of it, and so you can have a bunch of things kind of daisy chained together there. Now you can see here we have a typical shoe, 1/4 inch screw. We've got a little ring here. This is all plastic to kind of tighten it in place. It's pretty light, so it's not going to add a lot of weight to anything. It's about 1 inch thick, and it's only a couple inches square. You know, I mean, in terms of construction, even this little base plate here is plastic, so it's pretty chintzy. And the reason I got this was because it was one of the most inexpensive ones I could find. You can see here it runs on 2 AA batteries, and then looks like we will have a power switch right here, as well as brightness control. So let's get it powered up. So I've got a couple of anchor batteries here. Kind of like these just because they're really long lasting. Goes in like that. That adds a little bit of weight, almost it's 50% of the weight, to be really honest. And then the switch right here, boom, look at that, holy smokes, that is stinking bright. And actually what I love about it is how much light you get out of a small device. Now, I don't know if you remember Star Trek: The Next Generation, but they had like these handheld flashlights. This is totally like that same thing. So if you wanted to cosplay that, I would definitely make it like this. That's pretty awesome. All right, so I'm gonna turn it down here. That's the low setting, and then it goes off. And we can see here that what you can do is you can put it into the shoe facing either way, depending on which way you wanted to use it, and tighten it down. And now you've got a light attached to your rig just like that. So you could absolutely illuminate your shots now. And I'm planning on using this for kind of my tabletop shots. I definitely have a ton of light here, so I don't think anyone's complaining to me about lighting. But if I bring in another light right at the point of, you know, use, I think that's going to help just pull out some of these details. You can see there, on, off, on. Maybe I should demo it. There's a tape measure. No light, and now light. Get a little bit of shadowing, but I think it's a better experience. You can see more detail with it than without it. So hey, if you want to pick up this little bad boy, I will put a link to it in the description. It's really inexpensive. Peter Von Panda, out.